Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I hope you're all doing well and staying happy and healthy. So today our agenda can be found in the subfolder for 5/20/2021. Your agenda for today is to go down into week 17. We are in activity 3. You are to either read the article and watch the video on big tech, or to read the article on nuclear warfare and watch the video, and then complete the worksheet. The worksheet includes questions for both articles. You are answering only the questions for whichever article set you decided to do, whether that was nuclear warfare or big tech. Please make sure to check the calendar at the back of the classroom. Your test for Brave New World chapters 10 through 18 is on Monday, 5/24. Also remember to read for 15 minutes at the beginning of the class period and log that in the reading log at the top of the Schoology page. Alrighty guys, if you have any questions, send me an email and I will try to get back to you. Alrighty guys, have a great day. Bye.